Here's a video of my older dog forgetting how a mirror works.
Don't turn around. No, turn around. You're looking in the mirror. Turn around. Dude. Turn around here. Turn around. Hey, dude.
I just looked outside to see what the neighbors' kids are doing with the dogs, and what'd you guys do?
We turned Deacon into being Jewish.
Like I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead.
Anyone who likes our Facebook page will be invited to a special Lego Town event that's not open to...
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
What sound does your dog hate for absolutely no reason? I'll go first.
Where you going? You're lost. Dollar Tree headset, so free, freer than a public restroom. You're literally dog water, 0 PR, earnings check. Oh wait, you have none.
Bye.
What we found was a lot of states don't even have good regimens to keep the data to make sure that, I'm sorry, the bird just landed on his head.
It's okay, it's okay.
Sorry, let me
All
start
good.
over.
Love my blue squishy. Gotta get treats out. Bounce it. The heck? Where? Where? All that work for nothing.
Guys, I'm at a plant nursery right now. It's so quiet. But look at this.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia.
Let me in. Let me in, please.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Alright guys, we got a doggy dessert. Oh man, look at that.
I just got this thing. It's called 3-Second Brow, and it has like a little brown palette on the bottom, and then it has 2 little brow shapes. And all you do is you dab it in, and then you lay it on like.
As the peach went over her, "Oh, what a lovely bump that must have been for you, Miss Spider." "It was very satisfactory," Miss Spider answered. "Will you sing us a song about it, please?" So the centipede did. Now, I'm not going to sing the song, but I'll say the words. It's a bit of a funny song. Aunt Sponge was terrifically fat and tremendously flabby at that. Her tummy and waist were as soggy as paste. It was worse on the place where she sat. So she said, "I must make myself flat. I must make myself sleek as a cat. I shall do without dinner to make myself thinner." But along came the peach, oh the beautiful peach, and made her far thinner than that. "That was very nice," Miss Spider said. "Now sing one about Unspiker." "With pleasure," the centipede answered, grinning. Now you can see Archie's being very naughty this morning. He is wanting attention, and he's actually sitting on the couch, and he's not allowed to be. So I'm not sure what's going on.
Stop that. I dry your eyeballs. Eyeball kiss. What? I sniff. Saltine. Mom, what's wrong? Hey, Mom. What is wrong, Mom? Hey. Hey, Mom. Look at me. It's okay. I be here.
Rocco, should we go walkies? Oh, we'll go to sleep then.
Bye forever. Opo.
Get off of him! Get off of him! Get off of him! Get off of him! He's ow! Right, he got me!
2 months old and scared of everything?
Alexa, what's the smartest breed of dog?
There is no definitive way to measure canine intelligence, but border collies are often said to be the smartest breed of dog because of how quickly they pick up new commands.
Where's she at? Astrid, where is she? Is she over here?
Where's Astrid?
Astrid? Astrid?
Astrid?
Astrid? Astrid? Astrid?
Astrid?
Astrid?
Where?
Astrid?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit, cause bitch I'm the shit. Oh my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must say wee. Go wee.
Have you ever seen a dog sit in a wobbly chair?
Coda, come. Come on. Get down, come on. Are you good?
Yo guys, this is how you know my dog hates the vet. Ready? Hello? Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take her now. Alright. Let me take her right. Come on, let's go to the vet, Sam. Okay, she's gonna get shot?
I'm James. I'm 17. And I'm pretty sure I'm a psychopath.
What are you barking at in the sky? Oh my god, it's... Are you barking at the moon? No shit.
Yo, I got some dog food for you, yep. I got some dog food for you, yep, yo.
What's the most random thing that triggers your dog?
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
Here's my cat as a potato. You want some?
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
What are you doing?
Look what the nice lady at Dunkin' brought you.